Dudes, greetings to everyone on my channel Asab Training. It's your humble guru in the world of buying options. Asab here with you as always, and today, just like always, I'll be teaching you how to rake in the cash or changing the atmosphere with our wild money energy. But first and foremost, I want to tell you that the cryptocurrency world is about to experience or halving, a process in the world of Bitcoin, which means that every 4 years the reward for mining new Bitcoin blocks decreases. Nearly 90.5 million Bitcoins have already been mined, and there is only 1.5 million left to mine. It is insane, folks. This also means that the era of altcoins is approaching, and alt season is just around the corner. All of this is favorable for our trading. After all, the more information buzz there is, the better it reflects on the currency and binary exchange. Now, I'll be showing you a very simple and effective trading strategy today with which even beginners can easily trade binary options. So there is a lot of interesting stuff coming up today. But before we begin, I'd like to ask you to like this video and leave a comment, as it's very important to me and helps me create more and more videos so that everyone can learn from trading. So let's get started, friends. The first let's set up everything like mine. We will be using the Bulls Power Vortex and fractal indicators trading on a 2-minute time frame. Let's adjust the indicator settings accordingly. All set like me. And today I will be use 3 indicators. It will be Bulls Power and Vortex and Fractal Chows. And time expiration, I think it will be 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Yes. Okay. Time frame is 2 minutes. So, and let's set up with settings like mine. What I choose, okay, it's good situation for us always. And so guys, for us the euro, Japanese yen currency pair, I'm entering a short position, and let me explain everything to you step by step. To understand how this trading strategy works, you need to start by looking at the Bulls Power indicator. It is very simple and straightforward. This indicator has only one line, and if it's pointing upward, it is clear signal to enter a long position, and it's pointing downwards, it is signal to enter a short position. Okay, it's truly brilliant and simple. In our case, this is a line is pointing downward, which is first signal to enter a short position. Now, if the first indicator shows us the direction, we look for confirmation of this direction from the second indicator. Namely, we look at the vertex lines. It shows us the intersection of 2 lines, and then the lines diverge. If one of its lines supports the direction of the first indicator, we lean towards the direction of the first indicator and enter a short position, especially in this case. And of course, we don't forget about the fractal indicator, which shows us the direction of the overall trend with its straight lines, indicating that it's also pointing downwards, showing this with a straight red line. So we have absolutely accurately determined our trend. Now we just wait for the profit, guys. And so what we can look, guys. Yeah, the price on our side, I think it is very good, guys. So, and the first trade will be in our pocket, I just assure you. Dang. Profit obtained. It is very cool, guys. Before us, the switch franc Japanese yen currency pair, I'm entering a short position. Let me explain everything in more detail, guys. First, let's look at the Bulls Power line. Here's simple again. The line is pointing straight down, which is a signal for a bearish movement. Next, let's look at the vortex indicator lines, and they are also pointing downwards, so everything is very clear here. And if we look at the fractal indicators line, it's again indicating a local bearish background. So all 3 indicators again speak of a downward trend, and we have correctly chosen the entry point. I think If you're a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, where I trade every day, and you can follow me step by step and get a good profit. Write to me privately, teach me, and I will share with you all the useful information. Sports are limited. Come join us, guys. And what we can see, just look at this, guys. It's very strange motion in our direction and our trade, and so it's very cool because two lines of vortex indicator just shows us intersection, and it is very good situation because two lines just moving straight on downward trade. It is good, guys. And so if we look at the bulls power indicator, we just look at this single line just show us downward trend direction. And what is it, guys? We just look at this and look at this. It's just very strange direction and downward trade, guys. So it is very amazing, I think. And just look at this for fractal Charles night indicator. It is very good, just a local trend, and this indicator shows us that the local trend is very bearish. And so three indicators again just told us that the price will be on our side, and it is very good. I just look at three deals, and so it's very nice, guys. So, and time frame in 2 minutes, and time expiration it's 2 minutes and 30 seconds, guys. It's for just only this trading strategy. And so different strategy, different time expiration. So it is very cool. We just catch this profit. So it's amazing, guys. It's very nice. And okay, I just correct my deposit, and so on 500, and so move on. Just let's look about around a new situation. So for us as a Tunisian dinar, as US dollar currency pair, I'm going long. Let me explain everything in detail. So for trade, it is very crazy, guys. So first, look at the bulls powers indicator. It's clear that the line is pointing the upward. Next, let's look at the vortex indicator, and after the intersection, I also see that it indicates an upward signal. This is excellent, guys. And so the global trend is shown by the fractal indicator. It's also clean and shows more bullish movement. Therefore, all of this tells us again that we are currently choosing the trade, and it's just wonderful, guys. So what we can see, we see that again it's price on our side. It very correctly choose entry point. So, and when we look to both power indicator, we just look at the upward direction. So it will be a little bit reversal in this line, and I think it will be good. So if we watch on the vortex indicator and this, we can watch intersection two lines, and so I think the direction this position will be an upward trend, so it's okay. And so if we just watch on fractal charts, its local trend will be bullish, guys. So it's very correctly, and I think it's true position, and we just indicate good side, guys. And so, and price on our side, it is very cool. I just make 4 deals, guys, for 30 and it's very good, guys. 4 deals, guys. And so we're just expecting, we're just winning our profit, and so I think it's all will be good. Okay, this trading strategy working very well, I think, and this trading strategy like this just help us just increase our deposit and earn a lot of money, guys. So then we just catch this. Okay, 4 deals, guys. This is very wonderful. So it is just crazy. Okay, we will find new situation, I think, and it will be less our trades. Let's go move on. And so what we can see, I see, so for us the US dollar, Argentine peso currency pair, I'm going short, and let me explain everything in more detail. I just feel this market, guys. And so here we are looking at our bullish power indicator, which is pointing upward, but looking at the intersection of the true vortex indicator line. Based on my experience, I can say that there will be a reversal. So I'm first looking at the vortex indicator lines here, and then making my prediction. This happens, it's all part of trading. You have to be prepared for any situation in the market. There can be around 1,000 or more situations like this in a day. So as we can see, the global trend is also bearish, which means we have correctly identified the entry point. Now we just need to wait, guys, but I think that all will be good, guys. Because if we can see that the bull's power just make reversal, and so its lines just shows us in downward direction, you can watch this and vortex like similar, and so it is very good. Two lines show us in downward direction, it is very good. So, and if we watch to the fractal charts, and we can see that this just global trend is bearish, guys. Yes, it's bearish, and so trend indicator shows us that the downward direction is right direction right now. And so okay, I think it will be our last deals, because I'm just wanna go to lunch after training. It is very important for me, guys. Just I advise you training in the gym, or maybe in boxing gym, maybe in wrestling gym, I don't know. Just make some sport in your life. Just use it. It's, oh my gosh, you can see that the price is falling down on my direction, and so in our direction, and so it's very good. It's very cool, guys. So it is very good. Yeah, we just catch this profit, guys. It's crazy, just crazy, guys. And so profitability just Super Bowl friend. The strategy has worked out incredibly well, perfectly. I love it. With just 4 trades, I increased my deposit by $2,020. Where else have you seen anything like this? If you are tired of initial literacy, long working hours, and minimum wage, it's time to send all that way and start earning with me. If you're watching this video, it means you're already on the right path. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. And until next time, profit to everyone, hugs to all until it crunches, guys.